Hello guys, welcome back to Phone Repair. Today we're gonna show you how to repair it a 15 Pro Max display. Let's go. As first things, you heating the display, and after you put it in the splitter machine. I will show you the model 15 Pro Max. You hold it like this, you stick it on the top the cap, and you open. As soon as you see that's usually open from the bottom slightly, you enter with open tools and you could do frame by frame. As soon as been open, guys, we don't show you this time how to remove it to the plate because it's always the same. It's 6 screw, very easy. We open, we remove the plate, and now we clean a little bit the frame because it's full of dust. And as soon as we did that, we put the stickers and we're gonna do that. Now we're gonna time to remove it the sensor. We're heating again everything's. As soon as we get warm like this, you can remove it without damage with the tweezers square head. Like this is much easier for you. And as soon as you did that, you see the game looks pretty much perfect. We're gonna apply the sensor in the other side and it's almost done. Remember to follow us, like and share, guys. This will help our channel to grow. Please write us a comment. We are glad to help you in any way. We put the screw, the plate, one screw, Phillips screwdriver. You need to use it, and we are almost done. After we're gonna plug everything. As you can see, I struggle with the battery. I thought it was plugged, but it didn't actually. And this is my lovely face. Beside joking, now we're gonna try to put it back the battery, and now it's done. We put the plate, we put the 6 screw, and pretty much is over. We take the triangle screwdriver, and the game is almost over. Few minutes away for the hands. As you can see, these I will rate it 6 repair. If you have the tools, it's very easy for me, not hard. But as always, you see, we close it down frame by frame, time to testing, and that's it. And we hope that we help you in this video. Follow, like and share. Thank you.